Hi, I'm Dale Johnson, Field Service Manager here at Horton. Today we're at the Horton Research and Development Center in Roseville, Minnesota. We're going to complete the diagnostic tests for the Horton RCX and LCX fan drives. The Horton RCX and LCX fan drive are variable speed viscous fan drives. They're controlled by the J1939 CAN bus signal coming from the ECM. The Horton variable speed fan drive is fully variable. It can go from 100 to 2500 RPM or anywhere in between, based on the signal that is received from the ECM. We're now going to check the fan drive for current and ground by using an ohm meter and checking the resistance. I just removed the connector from the engine harness. Now I'm going to use these wire probes to check the resistance on the fan drive. We got a red and a blue wire, which are power and ground. Insert them into fan clutch harness. We got the probes inserted and we're checking our resistance. And now the resistance shows 11.6 ohms. It runs usually between 10 and 12. So the fan clutch electronically, it's functioning properly. And now we're moving on to the next step. We're going to do a manual fan test by applying power and ground to the red and blue wire of the fan drive. This will determine the function of the fan clutch, whether it's engaging and disengaging properly. After the power is connected to the fan drive, we'll start the engine up until we reach about 1500 RPMs. We'll apply power to the fan drive and it should disengage within 3 to 7 minutes. If it does not disengage within 3 to 7 minutes, there is a mechanical defect within the fan drive. If the fan drive is not engaging, we're going to check for leaks and resistance. You can check for leaks by looking in and around the fan drive, the center line, and the rear housing, and back to the mounting bracket. If there's no evidence of leaks, then we'll go on and test the resistance. Right now we got our probes in already from our last test. We'll connect those in and check for resistance. We have no resistance on the coil. Therefore, there's an internal electronic defect of the fan drive, and the fan drive will have to be replaced. If your fan drive is not engaging or disengaging, there may be a problem with your ECM or control wires going to the fan drive. Be sure to check your ECM for the proper ECM settings and programming. We have now completed the diagnostic test for the Horton LCX and RCX fan drives. Thanks for watching.